Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to IJA Infotech. Today I'm going to show you how we can add any application to the desktop menu. Right click. You can see here when on desktop we do right click, then there is no addition on app, additional app. Here is just paste shortcut, and no app is here. But I want to add a application. Whatever you want, you can add that application in this, and you can use this from here for any kind of job in your daily job. For example, I want to show you how we can add MS Paint. For example, MS Paint, you can add Paint, Print, MS Office, MS Office or PowerPoint or anything. You can actually we can do this at new. That when we right click this new, then folder, or you can choose here. I have to show you how at first right click we can see our required app here. First of all, we have to search where is this MS Paint. Here is the paint in my computer. Right click this paint, open file location. After reaching open file location, we have to check first, is this file a shortcut file or original file? We can see here this paint file is a shortcut file, 2 kilobyte shortcut file. As this is a shortcut file, we have to right click this one again and then press open file location. Yes, we have reached original file location MS Paint, and this MS Paint is the exe file. We have to choose, we have to find MS any application exe file to do this process to add any application to the desktop right click menu. We have to first copy this address bar, this PC address bar. Copy this. Then for adding this, we have to go run command. For this, press Windows button and then R. We will go for run program. Here we have to press Registry. We have to go for Registry editor, and for opening Registry editor, we have to regedit, regedit. Regedit. It will go to Registry editor to open. Then press OK. Registry editor. We have to press yes. Here you can see here Registry editor is open, and we have to be more careful on editing any value. We have to be more careful editing any value in Registry editor. If we do a mistake, then your PC will slightly or dysfunctioning. But if you follow how I show here to add any application, then the process will be successful. No problem, no worries. At first, after opening Registry editor, we have to expand HKey classes root. This one, HKey classes root. We have to expand HKey classes root. After expanding HKey classes root, we have to find folder name directory. You can see where this directory. You can see here. Yes, there is directory file. Then we have to expand that directory file. We will see a breakdown folder. We will have to expand this background folder. We will see shell shellax. After we saw shell, we have to expand this shell folder. We see CMD and PowerShell. Now, as we have to add application on that Windows right-click menu, on this shell folder, we have to right-click shell folder, then click new, and then click key. It will open a new folder. We have to name this folder as the required added application name. We want to add MS Paint, then we write this, rename this MS Paint. MS Paint. Okay. Sorry. MS Paint. The folder is open. MS Paint. Just click this MS Paint. This one is default old folder, MS Paint. Then in right click top we can see default. Here default, double click this default, you will see a string named value data. On this value data, you have to put the name as MS Paint without spacing. MS Paint. MS Paint. This one is MS Paint. Okay, then click OK. The first step is done. Then we have to go MS Paint and right click this MS Paint, and we have to put new and then another key. Another folder will open. We have to rename this folder as command. COMMAND. We have to rename this folder as command. Then after pressing command, we will see a default in right click, default, double click this default folder, and we have to press here that value data we copied from the address bar. From here we have to copy a address bar from here, then we press it. You can see Windows System 32 is come. Press OK. Minimize this registry editor. Then you have to back to Windows desktop. Right click. You can see MS Paint is came. MS Paint has come. MS Paint. Then for checking it works or not, you have to click it. You can see application not found. A error pop-up is come. It has the reason why this application not found come. I did this mistake for you because you will know if you do this in this process will not be completed. Then we have to back registry editor. In this default value, we have see in this default value here we have to correct this name. Then for this correction, system we have to address bar and click the required MS Paint. This one is MS Paint. We right click this MS Paint and go to properties, and we copy this MS Paint. MS Paint. Click MS Paint. Go to registry editor. Double click. And forward slash, we have to put a forward slash and paste it, MS Paint, and then did OK. I think our process is complete. Minimize this, and we have to check is the process doing well or not. Right click on desktop, go to MS Paint and click this. You can see the application is open. Guys, in this way you can add any application to the desktop right click menu for any app those you are using regularly, frequently in your regular job. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you.